If you are a content creator, an agency owner, or someone who wants to sell your own product online and you are consistently posting videos on social media but you are not getting any views, then pay close attention. Video marketing is king right now, but if you are not using it the right way, getting results is almost impossible. At some point, you will start realizing the problem is not your tools, it's not your traffic, and it's not even your funnel. The real problem is your content. Because if people don't stop on your video, watch it, and actually feel it, nothing is going to change. You rush your video, your hook is not strong enough, your content looks just like everyone else, and that's exactly why your videos don't go viral and why you are not getting results. So you keep testing, tweaking things again, hoping that maybe the next video will work, but the result stay the same every single time. If you are facing this problem, then this AI tool is for you. Today I am going to show you a powerful AI tool called Thunderprompts. So what is Thunderprompts? Thunderprompts is a AI powered software that automatically generate viral marketing videos, ads and script for you. Okay, it's come with hundreds of ready-made prompts and templates, so you don't have to start from scratch if you are a beginner. All you need to do is provide a little input, and within a minutes you can create high quality video content effortlessly. So you can see here a demo video.
Quick demo. This is Jamie Lewis, Thunderprompts, and we're looking at the image creator right now, and here's this frame. We're going to turn this into a movie. As you can see, here's the prompt. It says, show this man wearing a nice suit, and he's standing in front of a big rocket that says Dick's Business on the side of it. Very simple prompt, right? And then the reference is an older picture of this same guy. That's the secret. Always using the reference to keep it consistent, right? So let's take a look at this video. You know, pretty much you just click on use in video, and then the video generator is going to come up. And remember, all of these prompts are built in here in the form of brackets, right? Because, of course, you know, I'm a writer. I write all these original prompts, and then I put them into the system, and I replaced specifics with brackets. All right, so we can all make incredible AI movies, and we can put a stop to AI slop. That's right. So let's look at this guy launch his rocket.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am so glad you're here. I've been waiting to launch my business for a very long time.
I hope Dick finally breaks through his limits.
Yeah. Where am I?
You're in the system. Everyone ends up here eventually. It just depends how you performed.
Everyone ends up here eventually? What's that mean? I died?
What's your name? Ooh.
What?
No, it's okay. You're going to heaven, but without some of the perks.
Perks?
Are you coming, Poppy? Come get a massage all the time.
I don't want a massage all the time. This is bullshit. I don't want to be dead in the first place.
Well, it says here you tried to launch a business with limitations. You cut corners. You paid the price, Pops.
Do I get another chance?
Yes, but you only get this one chance.
That was horrible!
Yeah, man. Okay, well, Mr. Hard, good luck and enjoy your fully unthrottled infinite upgrade.
Welcome back, man. He's alive. He's gonna be okay. No more limits. front of you is a laptop. You have 3 minutes to create a high-converting AI video. The video must get you a shitload of sales immediately. Your headgear is connected.
Now you can see how this AI tool create viral videos. So here can you see
Your prompts suck, sweetheart.
I worked really hard on that. Can't you be supportive? I've only been doing this a month. I'm a newbie.
Explain this to me. What type of video marketing is this? Danny got 1 million views publishing full movies like this and made like 100 grand in commission. Hi, Danny.
Hit 1 million views yesterday, all AI content. Selling a ton through Shopify. Honey, I don't want to just copy what Danny is doing. It's my pride.
so you can generate same type of video, viral videos for your content creation, for your agency, for your client, and for your online business, right? Now let's talk about some of powerful feature of Thunderprompts and the real benefit behind them. First, this software comes with ready-made prompts, so you can create content very quickly. You don't have to sit and think about what to write or how to start. Just give a little input and your content is ready. Second, it includes 40 plus AI generators, each designed for a different task. Whether you need to create scripts, write ads, generate headlines, or come up with videos ideas, there is dedicated tool for everything. Third, it supports 200 plus niches, which means no matter what industries you are in, you will find ready to use template and prompts tailored for you. Now what's the biggest benefit? It saves you time. You don't have to spend hours brainstorming ideas or writing script from scratch. And if you are a beginner, okay, this become even more powerful, because even without much experience you can easily get started with video marketing. Okay, you can create marketing content faster, produce ads, video and promotional content quickly, and because of that you can start generating traffic and sales much faster. In simple word, this tool make your work easier, save your time. So here you can see the results. People who use this AI tool create amazing results, right? Make good amount of money. So if you want to try this app, buy this app, I have put the best discount and bonus link for Thunderprompts right in the description below. Just click the first link in the description to check out all the details, and if you are decided to purchase through my link, you will also unlock all my exclusive bonuses completely free. And yes, Thunderprompts come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk free. So if you are ready to get started, go to the description now, click the first link and unlock your bonuses.